Hello guys, good morning. It's Megan Ryan and I'm back with a Green Day boring recap. Yeah, it's a bit boring today. I knew that this is going to happen. Not did no moves at all on my picks. Not much moves, but I kind of reached my goal. Not a lot, but at least we're there. Should I trade BB and CCIV? So those stocks, yeah, this one I had a wider stop because I thought CCIV could move a lot bigger. So it only moves about $2 today, which is within the range. It didn't even break the 33 level. Yeah, so that's boring. And BB, I took it short here, hoping that it's gonna reverse back to. I thought it's going to be red for the day. That's what I was thinking, because of this drop, like heavy drop, right? And I thought it's gonna continue, probably below VWAP. There's no volume at all in the first few minutes. That's why I was very patient. So I took it short here. I got stopped and I just flipped my position to long, and then look at that, I even added twice, should be there. And then I kind of reached my goal here. I even added, took profit and stopped out at break even, and then look at that, there's like a flush that happened, but still it only moved about $1. This range is just $1, so it's not a lot for BB. Its ATR, daily ATR is $2.50. No RVOL, so RVOL for this is let's look, just 42%. Same for CCIV, 55%. So there's really nothing moving today. Yeah, I'm glad I did not overtrade. I kind of recognize it. There's really nothing moving. So it's great to recognize those things when time and sales not moving, no large orders. So just don't jump in. So yeah, slow day. It's gonna be a quick recap. Yeah, let's watch. But before everything else, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel for updates and follow me in my social media accounts. Comment if you have any questions, or DM me on my social media accounts. And yeah, yeah, let's watch. Yeah, as you can see here on my main left here, I was watching what's this, BB. Yeah, I was expecting it to move about $2 at least for the day. Nothing really going on. What's this, CCIV? I was expecting it to move $6. So yeah, there's volume. RVOL at the open. GME I did not. Like, I have GME here, but because I got nothing else to watch, so I just had it here, but I did not really trade it. Yeah, let's watch this. So market is about to open. Oh, it just opened, so nothing really moving. So I didn't want to chase it because it's right at the MA here. Could have been a nice bounce trade for a long here. I should have traded that. I'm gonna start studying this. So this is 9 EMA daily. I'm gonna study that for a bounce. Could be actually nice. So nothing really moving. Like, let's go. So what's this, BB? Only 200,000 volume. CCIV, that drop, this one, I kind of didn't like it. It's right at my sell level, but I didn't like it. That's why I did not chase it. It had about 1.3 million, but didn't want to chase it. GME, nothing. So I was actually looking for what's this, BB. So I shorted it, looking if it's really gonna move. I flipped it to long for a $14 break. Yeah, I was quick. I need to be quick, right? Let's go back. I didn't even miss it myself. So the reason for me I wanted to short is because of this drop. Like, I kind of didn't like this drop. I said, okay, for long, it's probably dangerous for it to go long, but there's a $14 number here. It's round number. Hive pre-market probably here. I can't remember what's this. Yeah, I should have taken this long at first, but I was probably impatient. So I took it short here, probably wider stop, because I don't like those 2 wicks. Yeah, see that pop there? I thought it's going to continue to go down, pop down. So it's below this, and I said, okay, I see a huge buyer just jumped in 933.30, huge size. Then I flipped it to long for $14. That size here, that was the buyer. So I went with the buyer. So he hit the ask and the offer, and then it just tanked up. And so many traders are actually squeezing this. So yeah, more buyers coming in. So I need 25 cents at least for me to be able to profit. So that was this really small loss. So I flipped it immediately when I recognized it's actually a long. So imagine if you don't know that, then it's you're just gonna get killed. Like, look at this $14 level, right? So that's what I wanted. Took some more off in there. I was hoping for more. I should have taken more in there, but I did not take any. Yeah, I did. Okay, that's good. I was hoping for more squeeze. I was looking if there's someone selling it. Yeah, I see it. That's why I took more in there. There. That's the dump, right? Because they don't want the price to go that more than 1430 area. So that's high pre-market. And then I added new average is around 1402, but I just don't want to put it under, like, above $14. I'm boring today, no energy. It's Monday. I stopped out. Yeah, so I was actually, after this, I was actually looking at CCIV. Let's fast forward this a bit. Let's look at CCIV. Yeah, so CCIV was obviously a short. As you can see here, it's kind of making this triangle, right? I was telling myself, you know, if it doesn't really hold 34, it's gonna be a short, right? This flag here, it's gonna break this and go to VWAP and then 33. So I jump in since I wasn't sure. Small size 34. I was a bit late, so I was kind of like, I don't know, 40 cents late, but that's half size. I said, okay, it's gonna confirm. Maybe I'll add more. I'll stop at 34. There you go. So probably risking about this area here. Since I kind of made my goal for BB, I didn't want to trade a huge size. So risking 34 area. I was hoping only for 33. Quick trade there. I didn't like those wicks. Those 2 wicks, I didn't like it. Let's go here. Slowly taking profit. Spread is crazy. It's like 10 cents. That's why I wasn't taking market at some point. Slowly taking limit orders. I was hoping for more flush. Yeah, and I didn't get the rest of the profit. I was hoping for more breakdown. But yeah, at least I had the guide, like, you know, where it should break down, like 33. I said if it's going to continue, it should break down more in 33. That's kind of like a selling side. That's more like a buying side. VWAP is right at the middle. So these are just levels that I want to watch, either entry or a target. So it doesn't have to be a specific level, but I know there should be some action at those areas. So I actually wanted to short it here again, but I said, nah, it's not really moving. So our fall is only 87%. Nothing really happening. So yeah. So I was looking at PB actually for bounce here again. So bounce here, right? So you want to probably trade it for a bounce again for VWAP. 90 MA bounce for VWAP, but yeah, I did not trade that. And yeah, this is where I stopped recording. So yeah, I got nothing else. Let's look at GME. No trades. Boring. Yeah. So yeah, no action today. It's Monday. I don't know why. Probably because the market's all-time high. I've taken most of my SPY, all of them actually. I wish I held more shares, but who knows, that's gonna go all-time high. So I'm just, you know, for my swings. Oh, everything's going great or doing great in my swings. I have a almost 20% profit that I'm actually holding. Yeah, it's, man, give me a year for this and I'm gonna probably share how I pick and trade low float and mid float ish sometimes. And look at that, like my portfolio is just growing every day, probably because the market is all-time high every day. So yeah, so right now I've taken profit a bit of TTNP. So yeah, so that's my top gainer right now. As you can see, look at the moves. So that the way to trade them is, for me, the way to trade them is just limit orders. If you know, don't day trade it because it's really choppy. So my average cost right now is, what's my average? 324. Yeah, that's where I entered, somewhere here. 324, maybe here at this area, risking maybe $3, and I'm up 17%. My second one, a new one, was QLGN. Average was 309, probably here, maybe here, I can't remember. Yeah, average is 309. Yeah, 309. So it's at $4 now, so I'm up 30%. That's really good. Vive was good. Like, yeah, it's I'm up really good in here. That's my third. Still have about a good amount of shares, 30% up from $3.16. So probably I have no idea, I maybe here. So when I saw it dump, really, I think I probably just bought it here, $3.16 at close. So imagine. And I took a lot of profit here, and then I'm still holding. BKYI, yeah, so this was a new trade. I actually posted it on Instagram as well. So I'm up 10% for this. I've taken a little bit, but now I'm still holding huge shares. BKYI, I'm up 10%. Average is 398, so somewhere here. I think I bought it here. Like, I bought it at the consolidation bounce somewhere here. I kind of like this candle here, so I think this is where I bought it. Can't remember when. So ASMB, this is kind of a bit dangerous, but I was hoping for a breakout. So average is ASMB. Oh, it's up 5% now. I haven't taken any profit for this one. Average is $6, so I probably bought it here when it kind of bounced, or yeah, some levels there. So yeah, I have a few more TLGT, but this one is like a really cheap stop. You don't want to trade this. But yeah, I'm up 13% from 0.95, so this is probably where I bought it, and then it gapped up, and then I'm gonna take profit 195. So I just have orders. Even in pre-market I get filled, which is good. So I just sleep, I have orders there. I will get filled when I wake up. I have a few more. It's like yeah, really good trade. Yeah, I've probably 17 stickers right now. That's a lot, so it's really hard for me to watch all of them. I just send in levels or alerts where I want to take profit. Sometimes all of them moves at the same time and then you miss it, so that's why I just put levels. Yeah, judge me if you want, but you know, I make money, so who cares? Yeah, so that's about it for day trading. That's why I decided to do swing trading, because you know, sometimes you lose in day trading, and sometimes swing trading helps out for you to make your losses. So that's what I realized. It's called kind of like diversifying your portfolio. So I added more buying power to my swing trade account. It's a separate broker, really cheap commission fees. Yeah, so it's been great. Let's see what happens for the year. So happy Monday and have a good day, everyone. Cheers. And you know, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more updates and follow me on my social media accounts. Please, if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Cheers.